Here we will associate the .py files to PyCharm, and we will also add launchers directly to the path. Next, we will restart the computer and run PyCharm. So now we are going to create our new project. Here, before we start the project, we will look into the project interpreter. Now this has to be 3.7. So if it's automatically detected, then we are good to go. So let's write down OpenCV Python and hit create. So now this is the PyCharm environment. Over here we have the area where we will write the code, and on the left hand side we have the project files and the project folders. So if we open up our folder, we only have the environment, the virtual environment that was created. Now we need to install libraries or packages in this environment. So we will go to File, Settings, Project Interpreter, and here we will add and search. Now we will write OpenCV, and here we have OpenCV Python. So we will click on Install Package. So once the installation is done, we will close this, hit OK, and now we will create our first Python file. So we will right click on our project, we will go to New, and we will create a Python file. Here we will say Chapter 1. Now as you can see in our project, we have the chapter1.py file, and here is where we can write our code. So let's import our OpenCV package. So we will write import and then CV2. CV2 stands for computer vision. Then we will print package imported. Now if everything runs fine, this should output package imported. So we will right click on the chapter 1 and we will press run. So now in the console we can see the package imported message has been sent. This means that our package is successfully imported, and now we can proceed further. So the first thing we will learn is how to read images, videos, and webcam. So in order to read images, we have a function by the name imread. So let's start by declaring the variable in which we will store the image. So we will call it img, and then we are going to use our package, which is cv2, and then inside that package we have the function imread. Now this means we are reading an image. Now all we have to do is mention the path where this image is present. So I have created a resources folder in which we have the image lena.png. So we are going to define the path of this. So it is in the resources, and then it is lena.png. So this imports our image from our resources folder, but now we need to display it. So to display, we have the function known as imshow. So we will use our package cv2.imshow, and in imshow we have to define two arguments. The first one is the name of the window, so we can say our output, and then we have to define which image do we want to display. So we will say img. So let's run this. Now the image did appear, but it went out immediately. So in order to add a delay so that we can see, we will write cv2 dot wait key, and then we will add the delay. If we put 0, it means infinite delay. But if we add a value, it means that many milliseconds. So for example,